Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as a 2-inch lift kit, premium leather heated seats, powered sunroof, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage in the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Going to come out here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a wood and chrome accent. Once these seats, you're going to have these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Nice. Left side, you'll have your ventilation. As well as below, you're going to have your drive mode selector and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, your trip information, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. Moving on to the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps as well. You can access your rear camera with hitch guidance and as well as the hitch cam. And you also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well as Amazon Alexa. Below, you're going to have lane keep assist with your auto stop, as well as hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. With the wood and chrome accents just below, you're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports right there. Center console, electric storage, you're going to have the cup holder, the brand new shifter, as well as the wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Heated as well, wood and chrome all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access reading lamps, OnStart and SOS, your power rear sliding window, as well as your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone all-terrain tires. You got the Z71 badging with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. You got the Trail Boss badging as well as the paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust. The trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. Here you got the multi-flex tailgate. With the grab handle, you're gonna have 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage right next to the speakers. Power window with the wood and chrome accent. Top up. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. You have a cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, clamps up top, and handles on the side there. Well, thank you for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Bridgestone all-terrain tires, power sliding sunroof, leather heated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.